Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, in the last episodes, we have seen what are the types of switchgears and what is switchgear. So, let us glimpse about the previous part. What is switchgear? Switchgear is nothing but a device or the equipment which is used to protect, control or isolate the system, right? So, in that, also we have studied the types of switchgears. What are the types of switchgears? The types of switchgears are circuit breakers, isolators, and fuses, also relays. Right? So we will be studying one by one with each episodes in depth. So in this episode, I'm going to cover what is circuit breaker. Yeah, let's start the thing. Circuit breaker. What is this? It clearly says that it is a device which is used to break the circuit when there is a fault in the line, right? So we have types of circuit breakers in this. Let us go through that. The types of circuit breakers, the CB, which is represented as CB, the circuit breakers. So one is MCB, which says miniature circuit breaker, which is MCCB, which is molded case circuit breaker. We have RCBO and RCCB. So let us go for these four things, right? What is MCB? It is nothing but miniature circuit breaker, which is used in the households or any apartments, right? The MCCB. MCCB is nothing but it is a bigger version of MCB. So it is used in panels or any industries. What is RCBO? RCBO is nothing but it is a combination of this MCB and RCCB. We will go in depth regarding these topics in the next videos. So what is RCCB? RCCB is nothing but residual current circuit breaker, right? So we will go in depth on these all topics. Let me start with MCB. Let us see what is MCB, how it works, right? So when you see closely, these are the contacts. So we call this as a fixed part and this as a moving part, or you can say as a fixed contact and the moving contact. So this is a line and this is load. This one, which is represented bimetal element. The bimetal element is a strip which bends to the curve shape when it is overheated, right? So it's a magnetic element and it is a latching and this is a trip bar. Let us understand how these parts work, right? So when there is an overflow of the current of this rating, for example, it is 32 amps. If there is a flow of 50 amps, which is overcurrent, the bimetal strip slowly starts melting. In the sense, it starts curve, means it starts bending towards the strip, right? So when it touches the strip, the latching happens and delatching of the moving contact. So there is an open contact you can see here. This is how it works when it's an overcurrent. We to protect the equipments. What is this magnetic element? Basically, this magnetic element comes in the picture when there is a short circuit towards this line and the load. So let us see about MCCB. It is a similar case. It is a similar working condition, but this is used in domestic and this is used in commercial. So let us see what is MCCB. MCCB is nothing but molded case circuit breaker. As I forgot to say that MCB comes in single pole, 2 pole, 3 pole and 4 pole. These are the types of circuit breaker and it has a different types of rating with respect. So now let's go to the topic MCCB. MCCB is nothing but molded case circuit breaker. This is used in commercial like panels or the industry purpose usages, right? For the higher current. And MCB is for lower current, absolutely, right? So MCB, the physical diagram I say like MCB, the poles, this one L1, L2, L3, and these are like L4, L5, L6. I can represent it as. So it has a trip unit which is used, and this part is called as the heart of MCCB. So let's see an image and get to know how it looks. So this is an MCCB. Yes, it looks bigger than MCB, right? Yeah, that's true. This is called as the trip unit, where we can vary the current value, right? The current value. For MCB, we have only the fixed current value, but here we can also the vary current values, right? And this is a knob for on and off, and this is a terminals which are connected to line and load. As you can see, this trip unit is a heart of MCCB. If there is no trip unit available for this, then this becomes an isolator which is only used to on and off the breaker, right? This is the heart of MCCB. So in this episode, this is the things we are going to learn, and in next episode we'll be learning about RCCB, RCBO. Let us wait for it, and let's continue in the next episode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this.